Hey guys, this is day 2 of quarantine because I have COVID even though I took the vaccine. But I've lost my taste since Sunday. But I can kind of taste things. I just had a chicken tender sub from Publix. So good. And I could barely taste it, but I can kind of taste like the honey mustardness of like the sourness of the honey mustard. So I'm going to try if I can still like taste spicy hot Cheetos. Yeah. I'm also gonna try cookies, Chips Ahoy. I love Chips Ahoy chewy. So we're gonna try it to see if I taste anything. I do have Gatorade. I've been kind of tasting the Gatorade. Let's try. This is the first cookie. It's like a makeup tutorial. I can't taste it. I can't taste the cookiness. My favorite thing to do with these cookies when I was little was to put these in the microwave and pretend that I cooked them. When I do that, I can kind of taste it. Okay. I can kind of taste this better, but the spiciness isn't bad. I never thought these were really spicy, but I can like taste the spiciness. But it's usually really good. So I like to put my Gatorade in my freezer, my mini freezer. I have a mini, like I showed you guys, I have a mini refrigerator slash freezer. Guys, look at it. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. You see it? It's like white and then that's awesome. Science. It's like a slushie in there. Gatorade. The Glacier Freeze is the best. Best flavor. Currently 4:09. I've been in my room the whole day, of course, because that's what quarantining is. I've only felt congestion in my nose, nothing else. And yesterday I had a virtual doctor meeting. But he told me to take vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B12, zinc, and NyQuil. So far I haven't had a fever, so I have technically 9 more days till quarantine, until I'm done quarantining. He prescribed me this Z-Pap, which is like medicine to take when if it gets more severe. Me chilling, rewatching American Horror Story Hotel.
A few moments later.
Update. Once I eat the hot Cheetos, it clears up my nose a little bit. Obviously, because if you eat something spicy, of course it's going to clear your sinuses. So, moral of the story. Eat something spicy before eating anything because you can taste it better.